Bitcoin money by and large is a mid-positioned cryptographic money as of now estimated at $237.74 that has a place with the class of mineable coins with a market capitalization of $4,648,126,894 in an unobtrusive manner. Over the beyond couple of years, cryptographic forms of money, including Bitcoin money, laid out a kind of solid traction in the worldwide monetary world and explicitly are presently being exchanged comparable to customary resources like stocks, wares, and unfamiliar monetary standards, forex. A few institutional financial backers even generally consider crypto as an effective supporting instrument against a taking off expansion and the disturbances in the worldwide economy, or so they fundamentally thought. Retail financial backers and brokers certainly are by and large keen on digital currencies truly, for example, BCH in light of the fact that this explicitly is ostensibly the most open monetary market, where various resources generally have the fundamentally potential for 100x to 1000x additions in a somewhat truly brief timeframe, really as opposed to prevalent thinking. These profits really are unreachable in every practical sense, different business sectors, which certainly is the justification for why most especially moderate financial backers for the most part are cautiously enhancing their current portfolios with digital currencies like Bitcoin money. While the groundbreaking ones by and large commit a critical piece of their kind of funding to this quickly creating resource class, which explicitly is genuinely huge. At this truly specific intersection, the endeavors of all market members carried the cost of Bitcoin money to the level at $237.74, where it as of now sits, or so they really thought. As currently referenced, BCH in a real sense is a mid-position cryptographic money since it as of now possesses the 21st spot in worldwide digital currency rankings, the especially metric that sort not entirely settled by duplicating the exceptionally current cost by the market capitalization of the computerized resource, or so they basically thought. On account of Bitcoin money, the market capitalization for the most part remains at $4,648,126,894. The significance of this boundary will truly be by and large made sense of later in a genuinely significant manner. Our cost expectation calculation is planned in commonly such a manner that it ceaselessly screens both the value, the position, and the market capitalization of the computerized resource being referred to sort of furnish our supporters with the most reliable data on the very present status of the market and future possibilities, permits the beneficiaries to satisfactorily certainly survey the condition of their portfolio and in a real sense, choose whether or not it explicitly needs to generally be reconfigured, which certainly is genuinely critical. Our calculation likewise really focuses on verifiable information, which generally is truly vital for the in every practical sense, right assessment of both by and large current and expected market structure and the evaluation of its essentially present and future bearing amazingly. Beneath you will truly find truly key portions of this verifiable information with the goal that you also could have a comprehension of where the Bitcoin money market essentially is going, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. Yesterday, on November 5, BCH explicitly was esteemed at $240.23 at the turn of the two exchanging meetings in every way that really matters. Recollect that digital forms of money explicitly are exchanged day in and day out, so every exchanging meeting emblematically closes at 12 p.m. Truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. The cost change, rate-wise, over the said period added up to 0.75% in a quite huge manner. 7 days prior, on October 30, Bitcoin money truly was exchanged at $246.40 at the end of the exchanging meeting, denoting the 0% cost shift from that sort of near its especially present position. On October 6, which was precisely a month prior, the examiners exchanged BCH at $231, the cost level that basically is at the distance of 2.92% from where it at present stands, which is genuinely huge. The cost of BCH and the readings of CVIX explicitly are not by any means the only measurements that we use while drawing the cost forecasts, in spite of mainstream thinking. Market capitalization basically is one more significant kind of metric that assists dealers generally with deciding the notoriety of the digital currency being referred to as well as its future possibilities, which basically is genuinely huge. It's likewise used to truly survey the offer that Bitcoin money holds inside the sort of whole digital currency market in an unobtrusive manner. The equation for the computation of market capitalization explicitly is fairly straightforward. The coursing supply of the money being referred to especially is increased by its especially current cost. As of the hour of compassing, the market capitalization of BCH sort of stands at $4,648,126,894, enough to name it the 21st biggest coin on the cryptographic money market, exhibiting that is currently referenced. BCH especially is a mid-position digital money since it as of NIP possesses the 21st spot in worldwide digital currency rankings, the Vera metric that in every practical still up in the air by duplicating the essentially current cost by the market capitalization of the computerized resource, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Yesterday, on November 5, the market capitalization of Bitcoin money remained at $4,696,513,662 in an unpretentious manner. 7 days prior, on October 30, the capitalization of BCH most certainly was $4,815,857,122. A month prior, on October 6, how much in every way that really matters, capital streaming around this sort of specific market fundamentally added up to $4,510,156,525, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. Most digital currency financial backers by and large stick to the rule that market capitalization likewise decides the dangers related with a very certain cryptographic money and its capacity to explicitly endure disturbances, which essentially are the especially normal event on this exceptionally unpredictable market, which truly is genuinely huge. The sort of greatest stock of Bitcoin money fundamentally is 21,000,000 BCH. The especially all-out supply of BCH at present especially remains at 19,551,469 coins in an every way that really matters, enormous way. The flowing stock of the digital currency under survey explicitly is 19,551,469 BCH in a fundamentally significant manner. This Bitcoin money cost expectation wouldn't be certainly finished without the outline of the exchanging volume available inquiry, since it is the especially metric utilized by essentially all digital currency merchants to in a real sense affirm the strength of the pattern and the suitability of a market move in an unpretentious manner. For example, in the event that the breakout to the potential gain especially is happening on the rear of the low exchanging volume, there generally is a fundamentally high likelihood that this move by and large is unreasonable and would basically bring about a bullish snare in a kind of significant manner. Hence, it is vital to break down the past and the in every way that really matters, current exchanging volume of BCH request to in a real sense, comprehend whether this market has a basic strength in a significant manner. Over the for the most part beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume on the Bitcoin money market certainly was enlisted at $141,968,075, in every practical sense, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Yesterday, on November 5, BCH had an exchanging volume of $95,477,164, which for the most part is genuinely critical. 7 days prior, on October 30, the by and large normal genuinely everyday exchanging volume on that market especially added up to $135,607,822, showing his subsequently, at means